There they go. They're bathing. This one, I'm taking a video right now. This one's bathing. Jane's bathing. Wow. Holy cow. I didn't know it was this bath hour. I need bigger bowls, guys. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. I just heard water splashing everywhere. You're supposed to drink it, Goose. Oh, Jelly Bean. Oh! No, 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 no! Don't fly on Jane's cage, sweetie. She'll bite you. Uh-oh. Look out. There you go, sweetie. You're not stupid. Well, she flew on the floor, so what's that tell you? Go head back to your bath, Jane. Good girl. Oh, what a good girl. Okay, I hear you, Jelly Bean. I hear you. She's mad her girlfriend's not with her. Go, Jane. She's coming. Which one, Delilah? Oh, she's just climbing up down the cage, just watching. She's so uninterested. Oh, yeah. Watch your wings, Janie. Yeah, she's totally... That's Jelly Bean getting mad because Sweetie flew away. Are you done taking a bath there, Squiggies? Let me see if her little brother-in-law's going to go in. No, he's drinking out of it. You guys are silly. Yeah, he's trying to get to her. She flew onto the floor, so there he goes. He flew down to be with her. They're so strange. Are you still taking a shower? Good girl, Janie. Good girl.